This is how a block can help you stabilize your students in Vrksasana. Vrksasana means tree pose. You're going to take your block, spread the toes wide on your right foot, and ground down through the earth. Instruct your students to take the block and bring it down next to their right foot. You want to have the block about midway through the foot so that it's easier for the student to maintain the balance. Then they just take their left foot and bring it on to the block, turning it so that it's perpendicular to the right foot. Hands to the heart center, opening the knee out to the side, lengthen through the spine, and then bring your arms up to the sky. The great thing about this is that we can have that block in any way that we want. Once we have our arms up, we're going to ask them to transition really nicely back. So take a deep inhale. On your exhale, bring your hands to the heart center. Take an inhale. Exhale, hands to the hip. Take a deep inhale as you bring your left knee into the center. Exhale, left foot comes to the ground. And now we're ready to do the other side. Light up that follow button for more yoga teacher tips.